sound. That is what you call solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, solid, liquid, and gas. Okay, children, now I hope you were able to hear me. Did you hear the sound?
Yes, ma'am.
What was the sound? What was the sound?
Tapping on a table.
Tapping on the table. Okay. Now, what's the sound now you heard? Now you heard? Is it table? Adi, what was that? Book. Okay, here there are two students of your friends are here. Adilakshmi and new student Akshara. Okay, she's in the class. So I was asking them. So the first one is table. Second
Mama is Adilakshmi and in school.
What, Afridi?
Mama is Adilakshmi and in school.
Yes, yes, they are already in the school. Okay.
Mama is that?
Why is that? They are in the hostel. That's why. Okay, fine. So, what did I do now?
Tapping on the book.
Tapping. Okay. Now tell me which sound was louder, tapping on the table or tapping on the book?
Tapping on the table.
Tapping on the table was more louder. Okay. So that means, is what medium it is? Is it solid? Paper is a solid?
No, ma'am.
No? Solid? Table is a solid?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, both are solid. Correct? Yes.
But ma'am, table has more hardness.
Hardness is there, of course. That is the properties of different materials is different. So, but still, both are in the same medium, but the sound what you heard is different. Similarly, the same effect will come on the water also. Hard water, pure water, the sound is different. So, sound is different in different medium. And what you think, is it solid, the liquid or gas, which can produce more sound?
Solid.
Solid. Okay. And after solid, which is the less harder?
Liquid.
Liquid. And then least one?
Yes.
Gas. So the solid, the sound will be heard through the solids more than or greater than the liquid and gases. So that is another important point of media. Okay. So you can take your lecture notes. So we have three different media, and each different media has a different property. As a result, it produces different sounds. Okay. So solid, liquid, gas. So what is the reason for it? The reason is that speed of sound is different for different material. Speed of sound is different for different material. And how it is different? It different upon two factors, elasticity and density. So you can write the first one, speed of sound depends on two factors, elasticity and density. The more elastic a medium, the greater the speed. Similarly, more dense the medium, the slower the speed of sound. That is the connection. If more elasticity means that whenever you tap on some of the material, it starts vibrating. Why it is vibrating? Because of that elastic nature, like rubber band. Okay, it will stretch and it will come back to its original position. That is what you call elasticity. Density means what? The thickness. Density means the thickness of a material. So in the solid, we have different density material. Like a table is more denser, or table is as compared to the structure of the molecules, with what the table is made up of, with what the paper is made up of. That is the important why density is varies. So the more dense the medium, the slower the speed of sound. So we have example here. Steel is 6,000 times more denser than air. Steel is 6,000 times more denser than air. 1 minute, children. Okay, can you switch on the videos? Majority all the videos are off, children. Yes. Okay. So steel is 6,000 times more denser than air. But what is the next word? 20. Tell me.
20 lakh more elastic than air.
Yes, 20 lakhs times more elastic than air. So sound travels 16 times faster in steel than air. See, even density is there, but still, which material has more elasticity? It is not necessary that the material, because of only the high density, the sound is lower. There's some reason that if elasticity is higher than density, then the sound will travel faster. So that is why the table, when you look at table, is more denser than paper. But still, what is the reason? You heard the sound of the table more than the tapping sound on the paper. So we have learned that more denser the medium, speed of sound is slow. So according to the second factor, you should not hear the sound of the table faster or louder. But what happened? Table is more elastic than the book or paper. That makes the table to give you a loud sound. So it is the something peculiar feature of the sound. There are two factors, but which factor is more? That depends its sound, what you hear or what you listen. Heard it? So don't get confused, children. The example tells that as we compare with the table and the book, table is more denser, but still you are hearing the sound of the tabletop only because table is more elastic than book. That is the reason. So same example in terms of steel vessel. Did you hear a cat is entering in the kitchen? How do you hear the cat enters in the kitchen?
When she knocks down some plates.
She knocks down some plates, maybe the steel. Steel vessel is more louder than plastic. So this is how we come to know. Similarly, sometimes something is dropped in the kitchen. The sound will be heard in the house, correct? Okay. And usually some of you, when you enter and all, the parents, the mother, she enters in the kitchen. Why? It's a joke, they will say that, because she must have dropped something. My mother used to say, whenever I enter the kitchen, something I will drop. And then my mother used to say another room, Dixon is entered in the kitchen. Okay, maybe for taking some things. So this is some physics behind it. It's a joke, but still it is a physics behind it, because steel vessel makes more noise or sound than. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So on the basis of these factors, we can write speed of sound. Solid is more greater than liquid. Liquid greater than gas. So speed of sound in solid is greater than liquid as well as the gas. Okay? Yes. So this is the nature why different musical instruments also produce different sound. Different musical instruments also produce different sound because of this peculiar feature, elasticity and as well as the density. Okay. So shall we now see who is going to play? Amrita, no? Who is going to play violin? Violin, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Can you come in, whoever is playing among you, come in front so that just play the notes. So children, I am making her to play. It is not only she is showing her talent. There is something more, you have to study science behind it. That's why. Okay. Can you start now?
Yes.
thank you very much. It's Amrita, no? Amrita or Parvati? Amrita. Okay, Amrita. Congratulations, Amrita. Okay, Amrita, can you play little more faster than what you play? Just try. Maybe 1 note or 2 notes. That's enough. Little faster. The music. Everyone give a very good clap to Amrita. Okay, very good. Thank you, Amrita, very much. Okay, Afridi, are you ready now?
I don't know how to play notes and all.
Oh, that's simply you play. That's enough. You're playing guitar, no? Guitar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No problem. I just want to hear the note. At least you are playing. That is a great, big talent. You need to practice. That's why.
Is it enough?
No, I didn't hear. I think you have to keep your mic a little closer to that.
1 minute, ma'am.
Okay. See, Amrita, when she plays, everyone could hear very well. You just adjust yourself. Okay, can you just focus the camera on your guitar? Adjust how much? Or you can stand and play if you are finding it difficult, so that they will see that. Yes.
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. I can hear you.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah. Yes, Afridi. You can. You all can hear her. Hear him. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Did you start playing? Yeah, you can start.
How did you hear it?
No, we could not hear Afridi. Unmute your mic.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, Afridi. Tell me.
Ma'am, my mic is not working good.
Oh, okay.
I have guitar here, ma'am.
Okay. What happened? You can't play?
My mic is not working, ma'am, and playing guitar.
Okay, do one thing. Afridi, can you keep your headset close to the guitar? You only play that.
Ma'am, I tried doing it, ma'am.
Okay. Can you show your guitar at least? Raise it up.
Yes,
Show
ma'am.
the guitar. Even we could not hear the sound. Okay, you just raise it up on the camera. Just show. Okay. Yes. Okay. Can you just, with hand, you just show, even we could hear also, you just play with the hand 1 note. We want to see it. That's it. Keep the guitar in front of camera. Yes. You just try. Okay. That is which note? Now we could hear better. Some sound you could hear. Raise it up little more, Afridi. Raise it up the guitar and you play. It will be heard. One or two notes.
And already.
One or two notes enough. Just strike the string. That's enough. Yeah. Yes. Okay, children, you can hear, no? At least minute sound, what he is doing it.
Yes, ma'am. Did you hear it?
Yes, we heard it. Okay. Again, 2-3 notes you play.
I don't know notes and
okay, just play. It's okay, no problem. Okay. Enough, Afridi. Thank you very much. And I know that he is just really struggled. Okay. No problem, Afridi. Once your mic is in, I will give a chance to you. Okay. Anyway, you have heard it. Some note Afridi is playing. Okay. Anyway, congratulations, Afridi. You have at least played some few notes, because for that also we call it as a talent. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. I think these are the 2 people. Anyone more was there? I don't remember. I wrote. But in the online. Okay. So children, so that you understood. So this is what I'm trying to say, that both the cases, one is guitar and another one is violin. And in both the instruments, what made the sound? Those who are observing the playing music, Suraja, which part started vibrating in both the cases, violin as well as guitar? Which is the vibration?
The string.
The string. And is that Afridi's note and Amrita's note? Is both the notes are the same sound or same loud? No, there is difference in it. Okay. And I made Amrita to play little faster. What is that the same pitch or same sound you heard while she was playing faster? No. So that means, yeah, different. So that means same instrument you can make little more different sounds and different pitch. We say she is singing high pitch, he's singing low pitch. So all these are something science behind it. It is not simply the sound is heard low, sound is heard high, all those things. And these are the terms we are going to learn for giving the loudness of the sound as well as the variation in the sound. Here there are certain terms related to sound. And these are the terms. The first term, what you have to go to, you can take your notes, the terms or properties. We can write it. Terms related to sound. Terms related to sound. Or we call them as properties of the sound. Properties of the sound. Properties of the sound. So the first property is amplitude. Amplitude, we represent letter A, and it is a physics characteristics. And I made Amrita to play. First, she played in a normal speed and she played little more high speed. And you can see the sound which we played faster, you heard little more louder. So what it determines, the quantity which determines the loudness of the sound is known as amplitude. So this is what we call amplitude. When you do any change in amplitude of the sound, there is a loudness increase or decrease. So what is an amplitude? The definition of amplitude is, it is the maximum displacement. Maximum displacement of the material or Vibrating body. The maximum displacement of the material or vibrating body. We'll be learning little more detail by drawing by later. Okay, now since we have played, we just giving you the what is understanding, and it determines. What does amplitude determines or it measures? Determines or measures. Measures the loudness of a sound. Loudness of a sound. Okay, I'm just asking to Gopika Kumar. Gopika, when Amrita played, did you observe the strings on the violin while she was playing?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Can you tell me in which time her strings vibrated more faster? Is the first time when I asked her to play faster?
Ma'am, it's the second time.
Second time. So, and also I think the loudest sound what you heard was second, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. So, what must be the reason for that?
Because she played fastest the second.
Okay. Okay. So now tell me on the basis of this point, what must be the reason for it? Can you tell in terms of amplitude? Because amplitude determines, measures the loudness of a sound. So in second time, what must have happened in the motion? Amplitude is increasing or decreasing that time?
Increasing.
Increasing. Yes, because the maximum displacement of a vibrating body, when you give a force, when you apply a force, actually she applied her muscular force. Even she is playing with the string, she applied her force to play it, clear. So when you apply the force, second time, we heard her music little more louder. What is the reason? The amplitude of that music was, music increased that particular time. The first time it was less and second time it was more. Okay, so by looking at the change in amplitude, you can identify whether a sound is louder or softer. Children, is it clear to you? What do you mean by amplitude?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is the first term or first property of the sound. The amplitude. Oh, my video. Okay, let it be. Okay. It's okay, no problem. You can hear me now, that's enough. So the loudness increases if the amplitude increases. So this is also one of the factor which is affecting the sound. What we learn, elasticity and the density is affecting the medium on which the sound is traveling. But amplitude is another factor which is making a sound is either it is louder or either it is softer. Okay. So I hope you have completed this. So below that you can write, as amplitude increases. So you can write, as amplitude increases, the loudness of the sound also increases. The loudness of the sound also increases. Okay, or vice versa. Vice versa means if amplitude decreases, sound also will be softer. Increases or vice versa. Now, how do you measure? The SI unit of amplitude actually displacement. Displacement means it is a length. How much that string is moved from one position to another position. It is meter. One minute, children. Okay. So this is about amplitude. Any more doubt regarding this, children? Clear? So the amplitude is the one which is telling you whether a sound is louder or softer. Now there is a heavy sound from outside because we are having a heavy rain here. I hope you are listening to me. Okay. Now we are moving on to, since we are discussing the about this amplitude, on the basis of this different vibrating body, the musical instruments have been divided into 4 categories. That is what we call on the basis of this different sounds. All the instruments are divided into 4 categories. The one is woodwind. No need of writing full. You can just note it down only this step. 4 types of musical instruments. Who is that playing? Hello. 1 minute. One sound I heard. Who is that? Can you hear any sound, children?
Yes, one man, music.
Who is playing that music? Huh?
Some kind of ghost or what?
Oh, maybe someone is there in the room or anyone's room. Okay. Switch on the TV or mobile, I don't know. But anyway, one music ask her. We are discussing about musical instruments, correct?
It was from SARS.
Ah, okay. Anyway, we are talking about musical instruments. Good. Hear some sounds. Okay, fine. So woodwind, string, percussion, and brass. Did you write? Yes. Shall I ask Gopika Shankar? Woodwind means what type of instrument it should be? Woodwind. It is wood plus wind. What type of? Which one?
Flute.
Flute. That means the instruments which is working with the help of a wind. Correct? Blowing, flutes, mouth organ, all that. Clear. String instruments everyone knows. No, Aaron? Apart from violin and guitar, can you give another name of a string instrument?
Sitar.
You tell, they won't hear. Aaron, did you give me another example? Not guitar, not violin. Another one. I didn't hear because a lot of sound of rain over here.
Ma'am, he said sitar.
Sitar. Correct. Very good. Very good. Okay. Now, what do you mean by percussion, Effins? Any idea? What do you mean by percussion? No idea. Anyone else? What do you mean by percussion? Piano, drums, tabla, mridangam. All these are percussion instruments. And what about the brass? Brass? Anyone knows what do you mean the brass?
Ma'am, that...
Okay. Okay, children. So, these are the some examples of all the 4 types. This is just showing you, just understand, no need of writing everything. So, this is wind instruments. This is our string instrument. These are our percussion instruments. That is percussion instrument, music by striking or shaking or scraping, just like a piano. Brass instruments are buzzing sound. Okay, using your lips while blowing. Trumpet. Trumpet is very common. Okay, trumpet, French horn, all that. You can click the photo because almost it is time, no? It's time to wind up. Click the photo, children, of the some of the instruments. Fine? Okay. So I think it's time to wind up. So today more students are present, happy as compared to last class. More students are absent. I just take the photo.
No, ma'am, students from 7A.
Aldous, can you just sign off, Smriti and Aldous?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Ashwin is also there, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Are you you are so eager to join in 8th standard class?
No, ma'am. We have two class combined.
Yes.
So one in board 7 and one in board 12.
Okay, fine.
So we
fine.
directly came.
Okay, fine. Okay, children. Thank you very much. I wind up the session.